I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening the layout that contains your plan. Make sure model units match paper units because scale depends on that. Once done, select the viewport and unlock it so you can change settings. Next, set the annotation scale to the target value. This tells Autocad how text and dimensions should appear. Make sure the scale is added to the drawing scale list. If it is missing, add it now so objects and annotative text will update correctly. With the viewport selected, use the Properties palette to choose a standard scale or enter a custom scale factor. This controls the ratio between model space and paper space. Once you set the scale, pan and zoom inside the unlocked viewport to position your plan accurately, because changing scale often shifts the view. If you use annotative objects, confirm they reflect the new annotation scale so text and dimensions remain legible. Finally, lock the viewport to prevent accidental movement when annotating. Finish by locking the viewport once your view and annotation sizes are correct. This avoids accidental pans. Then run region and inspect dimensions, text, and hatch scales to ensure everything reads at the intended size. If something looks wrong, check units first. Mismatched units cause incorrect scale. Then confirm the viewport scale value and that annotative objects include the chosen scale. One quick troubleshooting tip: if annotations disappear.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.